Alaikum all viewers and dear students. Today we are going to learn about the MCQs on the topic of vectors and scalar and their angles, how we calculate. Let's come we start. Question number 80. Question number 87 we are doing here. Hello viewers, now we are proceeding question number 87. If A, B and C are in three vectors such that condition is given, A dot B is equal to 0 means that they are perpendicular to each other and A plus B is equal to C. What is the correct answer of these of the following? Four choices are given according to this property. If we are apply here A plus B and to A plus B is equal to C dot C. We are finding their solution. How we calculate this one? We can write A dot A plus B plus B dot A plus B as equal to, we can write this one C square. And here A dot A plus A dot B plus B dot A plus B dot B is equal to C square. So A dot A, we have the rules A dot A dot A, and B dot B, and C dot C as equal to 1. This is the property. If A dot B is equal to 0 and B dot A is equal to 0, so these are the dot products or scalar product we are using here. A dot A, here we get 1 plus A dot B already given there, the condition is 0, and plus B dot A also 0 plus B dot B is equal to 1 is equal to C square. We can write A dot A is equal to 1, but here we can write A square, the condition is not present here. We can write B square, and B square, A square, we can write A magnitude plus B magnitude whole square is equal to C magnitude whole square. So according to this condition, the correct answer is B is the correct answer. If we check the conditions, so the choices are that answer is the correct. K, according to this definition, I, J and K, that is X axis, Y axis and Z axis. So J cross K, that means that we get I, J cross K, we get I, and I cross K, I cross K, I cross K, we get minus J, clockwise direction, I cross J, I cross J, I cross J, so we get K. So these are the result if we substitute here in the place of I dot, and here we get J cross K. J cross K we get I plus, and J dot I cross K we get minus J plus K dot I cross J we get K. So the result here 1, minus 1 and plus 1. Both are cancelled to each other. So we get the result is, sorry, this one is cancelled to each other. And we get the answer plus 1. Plus 1 is the correct answer in this option. So B is the correct answer. Cross product is given that. What is the result? A cross B. We can write A cross B into A cross B. So if we write this result, first one we can write expanding A dot B cross A cross B. So A dot, if we expanding this one, first one, we can write B dot b dot b dot a. Similarly, if we are b dot a minus b dot b dot a dot b dot b dot a dot b. So according to this rules, if we are expanding, so a dot a, this is a dot a and b dot b, and here we can write a dot b, and b dot a. So here a dot a and b dot b is equal to a dot b, and we can write a dot b. A dot A into B dot B and minus A dot B whole square, because both are same, so we add the power. Now check the option here. The correct answer is B is the correct program whose diagonals are given. So the vector U and V are given. So the area of parallelogram is required here. Area of the parallelogram is, we are denoted by generally A cross B as equal to 1 over 2 magnitude A cross B I dot J and K A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2. According to this formula, if we are expanding here, so here 1 over 2 and I, J and K, the value of 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3 and 4. If we are expanding according to this formula, so we get 1 by 2 absolute of this one. So I 1 by 2 absolute is also equal to 1 by 2. So I expanding by first row, so you can write 4 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, 6 minus j into, so this will be 16 minus 4 plus k, or 12 plus 2. Now 1 by 2 we can write here 10 iota, 10 iota, 10 iota minus minus 12j plus 14k. Now we are absolute is required here, absolute. We are taking absolute, so 1 by 2 absolute of 10 square plus 12 minus 12 square plus 14 square, we can write absolute. And here 1 by 2 is equal to 100 plus 114 plus 196. If we add these terms, so what is the result? Here we can write 100 for 244 calculator, we are adding it. So 1 by 2, so 244, B is the correct answer. The 91, the direction cosine of the points. Direction cosine means here cos alpha, and the point is given, that point is that one. Cos alpha is required. Cos alpha, we know that cos alpha x divided by r, and cos beta is equal to y divided by r, and cos gamma is equal to z divided by r. Here r we can write x square plus y square plus z square under the root is equal to points is given. So we can write 2 square plus 6 square plus minus 3 square under root. If we calculate this one, so 4 plus 36 plus 9, so here we get 14, 9 is equal to 7. X is equal to 2 divided by 7. So if we substitute the result, x is equal to 2 divided by 7 and y is equal to 6 divided by 7 and z is equal to minus 3 divided by 7. So these are the option. If we check the answer, so answer B is the correct answer. Magnitude is 1. If we are check this, these are the option. If we check the option, so answer D, whose magnitude is 1. So correct answer is D is the correct answer, because if we check his magnitude is 1, look here, if consider if u is equal to I plus j, if we take the magnitude as 1 square plus 1 square under root, so we get 2 under root, and whose magnitude is 1, whose magnitude is 1 according to the unit vector. So here, look here, if we u is the vector, u is the vector of the given direction whose magnitude is 1. So if we taking his magnitude, so the result will be equal to 2 under root and divided by 2 under root. So here we get this result, both are equal to 1. So the answer B is the correct answer in this situation. They are said to be coplanar lines. Coplanar lines means that u dot v cross w is equal to 0 according to the definition of coplanar. If any three vector a dot b cross c is equal to 0, here the vector of change u dot v cross w is equal to 0. This is the definition of the coplanar. If the three vectors 0, so if we check the answer, this is not applicable, and this is also not applicable, this is not applicable. And here question number, this part is the correct answer part. Option. So if theta is the angle between two non-zero vector a and b are given that, then the condition is also given x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 plus z2 divided by x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square under root into x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square under root. What is the result? So we have already done the formula according to dot product or scalar product. A dot b is equal to a dot b is equal to a magnitude and b magnitude cos theta. And cos theta we can write here a dot b, a magnitude and b magnitude. According to this property, if we are applying here a dot b, here a means that x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2, and a magnitude we can write x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square under root and into x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square. So this is the property we get here. Cos theta is given that result in the option C is the correct. The position vector of that vector that are passing from the origin or making from the origin. So 2 points are given that M and N are respectively, then the midpoint of M and. First of all, we find M. OM is given, OM is equal to 3A minus 2B plus C, and ON position vector are also given that A plus 4B minus C. So what is the result here? Midpoint is required, then midpoint of MN, if we are calculate, so we write OM plus ON divided by 2. Midpoint is required, so we add this one OM 3A minus 2B plus C plus A minus plus 4B minus C divided by 2. If we add this one, A with A, we get 4A minus 2B plus 4B, 2B, C and C are cancelled divided by 2. So we get 4 divided by 2 plus 2B divided by 2, both are cancelled, we get the result 2A plus B. That option is check the answer. So D is the correct option, is the correct here. U cross V is required. U cross V. We are using the property I, J, and K. So 2 is given, the coefficient of I and coefficient of J is equal to, and K is absent. Then 0 we put here 3 and J is absent and K coefficient is -1. Expanding by first row we get taking here AD minus BC formula and -1, 0, minus J. Similarly this will be -2 and 0 plus K. If we put here this is 0 and -3. So we calculate minus alpha, this will be plus 2j and minus 3k. Now minus I plus 2j minus 3k. If check the answer here, so correct answer is B is the correct answer. Check a perpendicular u dot v is equal to 0 must be 0. So we are checking both result 2I minus plus 3j minus k dot and I minus j minus k. So we want to check they are parallel or not. So 2 multiplied dot 1 I dot I plus 3 dot minus 1 j dot j and my plus minus 1 into minus 1 k dot k. So I dot I, j dot j and k dot k is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So here 2 minus 3 plus 1. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Both are cancelled to each other. So u dot v is equal to 0. So that is called u is perpendicular to v. So the result is perpendicular. Correct option is C is the correct option. The projection of u is given on a non-zero vector v is 15 divided by 10, then the angle between them two vector is what? So according to the definition of projection of u on a non-zero vector, if we are applying projection of u on v, so we can write is equal to u dot v and v magnitude. So the projection of u on dot v is given that, and here is given that 15 divided by 10, 15 divided by 10. So u dot v and v magnitude. So if we are multiplied 3 to 15 and 4 to the 20 by 2 the 10. So 3 divided by 2 v magnitude is equal to u dot v. So angle is required between two vectors. Angles we know that cos theta is equal to a dot b according to the definition. If we are apply a magnitude and b magnitude, and here in the place of cos theta a dot b is equal to u dot v. U dot v is given that in here 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2 and v magnitude. Here we can write u magnitude and v magnitude, and u magnitude and v magnitude. So if we are taking both are cancelled in here, we get the answer 3 divided by 2 cos theta is equal to 3 divided by 2 and u magnitude where here we get what is the result? 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square and taking magnitude. So the result is 3 divided by 2. We get here 1, 4, 4, 9. 9 under root is equal to 3. 3 cancel. We get 1 by 2. So theta is required. Theta is equal to cos minus inverse 1 by 2. So the result is 60 degree. 60 degree is the correct answer in here is correct. According to the cross Faraday projection of U on V are already given that here 15 divided by 10. If we are calculate simplify 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So we get 3 divided by 2. We to multiply U dot we get according to the cos theta A dot B put in place of this result here. So and for the passes we get a cos the inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 60 is the vector whose initial and terminal points are given. So look here, and this is initial points is given, we give the name A, and here is given that initial and terminal points -1 and 2 and 0, and terminal points is given 2 and 3 and -4. So vector is required here. So we can write the vector R vector, we can write B minus A. So just we subtract this result. What is the result? We can write 2 minus and -1, 3 minus 2 and -4 and 0. So the result is we get here minus 3 iota and plus j and -4k. So look here. So the option is here. C is the correct answer. Spaces. Spaces, three-dimensional space is given. Three-dimensional space is given that I, J, and K are given that. So there will be position vector of any point. So if we are taking, for example, this point, so we write x, y, and z. R is the position vector, this is origin. So if we are finding, the result will be equal to D. Option is the correct option. We can write here D is the correct option. So this result is equal to xi and plus yj and plus zk. So this result will be equal to R. Is 1 and y component is equal to 3. So we are represented by x component is equal to 1 and y component is equal to 3 under root. And according to the formula, tangent inverse theta is required. Its angle. Then theta is equal to tangent inverse a divided by y and a divided by x perpendicular by base. So tangent theta we can write here tangent inverse a y we get 3 under root and divided by 1. So tangent inverse under root 3. So this will be 60 degree. 60 degree we check, and here correct option is C is the correct option. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.